don't trust the clips that you watch online. There was a brother, a beautiful brother in Sheffield, lovely brother. He got up, he gave me a few words. While I was talking, he got up, Sheikh, you don't speak about the shirk and about tawheed and about something else. He said, Sheikh, and you don't forbid evil and so. What a lovely guy. He was one of our sons. He probably in his 20s, good guy. But the way he did things, I knew that this brother is troubled. And at the same time, he is a little bit frustrated like all of us. We are frustrated about what's going on. But he didn't want to know about Gaza or Palestine because we always speak about it. If you know, you know. If you want to just follow online, remember the social media platforms you're using, who do they belong to? Ask yourself that question. Do you think they're going to show you what I say? They won't. You need to come in person. You need to search and hunt. And even if you search and hunt, do you really reckon they're going to show you the truth? You need to know me personally to know what I've done or to know what I do. Today you are sitting here, you heard how I started, you heard what I said. You go anywhere else, they won't believe you. They're not going to watch this video because they don't follow, they don't want to follow. They'll never believe you. You can clarify as much as you want. They're going to say, this guy, he's a this and a whatever. It's okay. So when I heard this young man, I even told the organizers, wait, let him relax a little bit. Meaning, leave him. Let him say what he wants. And he kept on saying and so on. Then he didn't want a clarification, so we realized he wants to deliver his speech. That's when these brothers went and they took him away. Oh, someone spoke up to Mufti Menk. Wow. And they told him, you don't talk about Gaza. They didn't realize they were such fools to say that because the whole topic was about Gaza. And the whole topic, and I was trying to explain to the brother that we always talk about worshipping Allah alone and so on. So there was a lot that happened. But the clips that went viral make it seem like, subhanallah, it was just a one way. The guy got up and everyone took him away. No. You need to know the whole context of how it started, what happened, where he came up. What they told me later, that please excuse this brother, he is troubled. And he has done this to so many people who come to the masjid. So I knew. I said, you know what, he's my son. Wallahi, we love the guy. We can kiss him on his head. We want to help him by the will of Allah. I will meet him, we will talk to him, and inshallah I will go.